Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow graham. First, gather your simple ingredients: graham crackers, marshmallows, and your favorite chocolate. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your marshmallows will toast perfectly. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper, which makes cleanup a breeze after enjoying your delicious treat. Now, let's assemble these delightful treats. Start by breaking your graham crackers into individual squares and arranging them on your prepared baking sheet. Then, place one large marshmallow on top of each graham cracker square. For an extra layer of flavor, add a piece of your favorite chocolate on top of each marshmallow. This creates a perfect base for melting. It's time to bake these to golden perfection. Carefully place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake for 3 to 5 minutes, but keep a close eye on them. You want the marshmallows to be beautifully golden brown and wonderfully gooey, not burnt. Once they reach this stage, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly before serving. They will be hot. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade marshmallow graham treats. Serve them warm for that ultimate gooey, melty experience. They are perfect for a quick dessert, a fun snack, or even a party. These simple treats are always a crowd pleaser. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.